to look at me. Remember when I called you, baby, you go through. Now you let yourself look at me, look at me. You made me,
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Ow. I just smacked my damn arm on the thing, on the Supra mirror. It like hit it at that right point where it wasn't a lot of force behind it, but it definitely hurt it. Almost like when you hit your funny bone. Alright, what are we getting into today? Alright man, so if you've been keeping up, you guys know that today is officially my B-Day. So I ain't doing nothing crazy today, but I did promise y'all an update on this Supra today. But before we start talking about the cars, I do need to go to the machine shop. I got a shitload of parts that are that have arrived for a 6.0 engine that I am building. So all the parts are here for that thing. I'm gonna go grab that stuff, get ready to take it to the machine shop. And then once we get back, we will start talking about what's been going on with the Supra. So with that being said, man, let's open up the garage, grab these parts and load them up in the YT 500. All right, what's good? We just getting here to the machine shop. Decided to stop talking to y'all and just go ahead and drive on out. Whew, this thing is heavy. So this right here is gonna be all our parts, man. This is forged pistons, rods, crank, upgraded wrist pins, all kinds of stuff. What's up, my dog?
Right here, buddy. Help you with that. I got you.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
I ain't even opened it yet.
This is two, huh?
That's hell of them on here.
Heavy as crank.
Bro, it's just hella heavy. Sure it's gonna rev to 7,000?
I mean, you shall see, buddy. You shall see. It holds up to the normal drivers, don't know about you.
Yeah, I be breaking shit, man.
Shit happens, bro. Walks up pretty good, huh?
It's like Christmas.
Right? Box in the box.
Bro, something is good for that shit. A box in the box.
Yeah.
Fuck it, you do it better.
I've done a few of them.
Wait, is this only the crank?
Yeah.
These motherfuckers.
Oh, you ain't got the pistons?
I got them at home then. They probably came today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all good. Hey, you got something, though?
Man!
One thing at a time. I guess patience is a virtue, huh?
I drove way out here for just the crank. It's crazy.
It's always good. It's always good.
Ain't that some shit? Alright. I guess I'm going home to grab the rest of the shit.
I'll be here.
Rest of the hour drive. I'm coming back though. I want to drop off everything. Alright, let me go home and grab this shit. I'll be right back.
Hey, yeah, good stuff.
This is good. I know. These are just standard cranks or these are like forged ones?
It's forged.
Okay.
Yeah. Damn near feel it when it's forged. It feels fucking
Hella heavy.
Yeah.
Damn, I got a mission.
Too? You wanted to?
Yeah, 24.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a 24 setup.
Okay. I'll make sure.
All right, are you back?
Okay.
Drive all the way back home.
Good stuff.
All right, we gotta drive all the way back home. We'll be back. Fuck. Another 45 minutes there, another 45 minutes back. Spending my birthday on the road. All right, just getting back home. Can't believe my dumb ass did that shit, man. That is a mission. What's up, peoples?
So what's up, nigga?
Hi, baby.
So what's up? She said,
That water is too heavy for me.
All right, what's good, my peeps? So it has been a couple days and my dumb ass did some dumb stuff. So if y'all seen the last clip, you guys know that I went to go drop off the parts at the machine shop. Well, it turns out that that wasn't my full order. It was literally only the crank in there. So it's been about 2 days. It's Friday. The crank or the rest of the parts, pistons, rods, and everything else are supposed to arrive today. And then I look at the tracking, and it says that things are, quote, delayed and behind. So yeah, it doesn't look like I'm gonna be getting my pistons and rods and stuff today. So what I'm about to be doing is I'm about to be taking out the Supra. I've already been out in it. I'm driving this thing. Today I'm about to be taking it to D's. I wanna have Fats get the wing, fuck. I'm so tongue-tied. I'm like delusional right now. I'm gonna take this to D's because I wanna have them check the color for the new wing. That way everything matches up. So yeah, we're gonna go over there. We're gonna be chilling, and that's pretty much all we got going on today. So color match that. I may do a pressure test on the cooling system. I do wanna check that, verify that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. We just, you know, having a cool little chill little vibe day. I like the way this looks in front of the house right now. Euro, American, JDM / half-breed American. Oh yeah, my Euro's also half-breed American. Let's get in this Supra, man. All right, just pulling up here. Parked on Fat side. Pressure test this shit with these little tester in a little bit. These fools are already over here working on the next giveaway car. They go in this little drop top 50 4-ride build. Look at the painter using can paint, it's crazy.
Nice. We were always in control of the when and where in our lives.
Where'd you park? In the garage? Yep. You ain't working on nothing but the giveaway car, so I know you ain't pulling nothing in. Do it. It's gonna mess up the lens.
Will it?
How
much is it? 1,700.
It's an expensive ass lens. What's up, bro? It's cracking.
Healthcare or business today at Phoenix.edu.
What do you want now?
You doing detailing, blood?
No, I'm getting ready for ceramic coat.
I ain't never detailed none of my wheels.
You don't pay enough, you know what I mean? You always want to sponsor and shit, so.
Hey man, the way my taxes is looking, that's a lie. I started adding up shit. That wasn't even with the cash I had gave you.
Now you're bringing up bullshit.
I did give you, on video I didn't give him no cash.
Now you're bringing up bullshit.
2025, that's that tax season.
Hey, you're better than other years though.
All right, we're going over here to the other side right now. Fast is getting ready to try to get the right color for this thing. So he over here doing color matching, toning. You see that Asian dude on Instagram when they show him like a picture?
Pieces of plastic.
You think that's real?
Yeah. He might really know. I don't know. Maybe.
So that's the supposed to.
It's just the color code.
That's the color code right there. That look like that's it, blood.
Okay, watch this. Nothing. The only thing I've seen be perfectly on spot on, almost 90%, is water base. But the same amount of water base, then you'd be fucking $1,000 in paint. Watch this. So we're going to the wing. See how dark it is?
Yeah, it looks almost
Very
purpler.
dark.
Yeah. I don't know if video gonna pick it up, but I can definitely see it's darker.
Yeah.
So what you gotta do? Lighter? Make it lighter?
It's crazy, but there's only 3 colors in this fucking paint. No surprise. In other words, there's no way there's only 3 colors.
That looked like enough to repaint the whole car.
Shit. Reduce your work, but I don't know about that.
Stretch it till it's pink.
Stretch it. 1 coat.
Wait, so all you gotta do is put a little dab in there?
For like other reds that have like a violet or something in it, you would do like a gunmetal gray to offset it. That's weird, guys. I never really tripped off it until learning the color chart, and then you learn as doing shit like this is what helps and what doesn't help.
So how much of that you gonna put in there?
No.
And that's enough to lighten it.
It's gonna be enough too, because then watch, you're gonna see I'm not gonna dip the stick all the way, so that's the top of that stick right there is how it came. Now watch this. Look at the color difference already. See the top of the stick versus the bottom of the stick?
Yeah.
You don't need much.
But is that gonna be a match?
Yeah, look how much lighter it is already.
You can hella see it right there.
Yeah, that's a little dark up there and then lighter at the bottom.
Close. Or does it still look a little darker?
Yeah.
See, I do got a painter eye. Come on, start painting shit, boy. I know some shit fucked up for sure. All right. So next up, what I want to do is, I'm gonna need this big, oh shit. All right, so what I'm about to do now is I am going to be pressurizing the coolant system on the 2J. I just need to verify something real quick. Just make sure it's still ain't hella hot. Nope, it's warm, should be fine. Perfecto. Hopefully when I open this, I'm going to see coolant at the top because I just filled this thing up, which is a little low, and that's what I don't like. Let me top this off real quick, and then I'm gonna be pressurizing it, and then we'll be back to talk. That right there is what I don't want. This is not what I wanted to see. Most people would think that is a good thing because it's not leaking or pressurizing the coolant system from the head gasket. Usually we see this drop, it fills the head gasket, but since it's not dropping, but I am 100% losing coolant, it's not smoking or going anywhere, I don't like that. I don't like that. If you know where I'm going with this, you know where I'm going with this. I don't like that. And it's holding. It's cool. Car was already going to Texas anyway. We're already getting ready to change this setup anyway. So yeah, that I don't like. If you know what this means, you know what this means. Without me having to say it. It's giving swing stain vibes. But nah, realistically, honestly, I'm not even really tripping because I was planning on doing a little different setup anyway. So I had already told y'all that I was originally thinking about putting my VVTi motor in here since it's more built than this current setup. Plus with the VVTi, the higher compression that my SC motor has, it would spool this turbo up a lot faster, especially with the VVTi. But my goal for this car now, I really don't even want the 1300 horsepower. So I was already planning on changing the setup and lowering it anyway, probably downsizing the turbo to something that's gonna make more torque with faster spool up because I wanted a funner street car. So with that being said, regardless, it was already scheduled to go to Texas, but yeah, I'm not too worried about it. This car has been together for damn near what, 6 years. And when they had it at high, it made 1300 something. And then it kind of went down to this current setup right at about 1150 or so. And then when I got it, I turned it up and pushed it harder than the original owner who did it before me. So he had this set up at like 1150, and then when he made 1300, he had it at 1300 with a bigger turbo, and that was more so for Texas 2K. But I left this setup and turned it all the way up. I was pushing like 52 pounds of boost, so it was already like bound to happen. Stock 2JZ block. This does have a stock 2JZ head gasket. So obviously with the other setup, we're gonna put the HKS stopper head gasket in it. I want to go with a smaller turbo because I want faster spool up. I still probably gonna set it right around 1100 horsepower, but I just don't want to push this car 1300. Like, it just, at the end of the day, like, I don't care to have all the power. It was fun, I got to experience it, but just having all that power is just taxing on everything where you're trying to like load it up. And realistically, I can get the car to be faster if we dial in the car with more torque and faster spool up than with the 1300. Like, if we're talking about just from an A to B standpoint, I think the other setup that we had already been talking about would put in more work than this setup with less power. So I got a strategy for this. And again, it's like, I don't care to fucking be out racing this car. It's like, I got the SC for that. Other shit that's probably could be even faster than this. So I'm not really too worried about it. This is like my hood trophy, honestly. And yeah, I want to just keep it reliable. I'm probably going to change the look up a little bit more, make it look a bit more aggressive. I wanted to do this low-key look, but I do want it a little bit more aggressive. I want it lowered. Like, y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to do my little twists and takes on it, but still keep the stock body without going wide. But yeah, it's holding, and I don't like that. More than likely, oh, I'm not gonna say it. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, more than likely. Either way, so y'all see, I drove it here. It still runs fine. It's just coolant's going somewhere, and it's not in the oil. Already checked that. There's no smoke. Catch can isn't filling up. No coolant out the exhaust. So yeah, remember when we did the spark plugs? One of those cylinders was hella clean. That's probably, yeah, it's probably. Anywho, like I said, I'm not tripping off of it. This car was scheduled to go to Texas, I think we said in the April anyway. So regardless, it was already going there to get another block set up, because I wanted to use this block for my SE300. So I guess when this block comes out, I can get it all freshened up if the block is still good. But I think, I'm gonna say it, I think the block probably cracked. I think it has a crack in the block. That's what that thing's going on. I think one of the sleeves cracked. So yeah, again, I ain't worried about it. 2JZ blocks are fucking plentiful. All right, I got brand new pistons and everything I need to do another block. Plus, like I said, this was already getting swapped out, so I ain't too worried about it. It was already on schedule, so yeah. But god damn, it's holding. Anywho, let me get this shit off, and then I'm gonna drive this shit home still. Also need to drive it out anyway. Remember, I told you I need to drive out all the E85 because I'm gonna have 91 in here while it's sitting, and that was part of the reason, and it's already something I probably already expected and suspected to be an issue with this. All right, one last thing I want to show y'all before I take my ass back to the house. Got something for the BMW that just came today. Bam, right here, brand new ski. Brand new ski. Literally brand new. T56. It's the Magnum thing. That's gonna be going in the E36. So yeah, getting rid of that CDO9. We're done the Maggie.
I've been going too crazy these